The next stage is the capital subscription stage. After getting the certificate of incorporation, the private company gets formulated and can commence their business activities, but a public limited company has to perform the third stage and get the certificate of commencement. While the public limited company have the several steps which are to be required needed to issue the public subscription. That's the first is the SEBI approval. It is a regulatory body which controls the capital market of India to protect the interest of investors. The public limited company must submit all the relevant information with the SEBI before issuing the securities to the capital market. The next is issue of prospectus. Prospectus is the information which is issued by the SEBI or issued by the company under the guidelines of the SEBI. A public company has to prepare another important document called prospectus. It is a circular or invitation issued to invite the general public for subscription of shares to the company. And the next is appointment of bankers, brokers, and underwriters. Underwriters are those persons who give the guarantee to the company to issue the full share. If the shares are not to be fully subscribed, they get it purchase itself and they get the commission for the provide the underwriter guarantee to the company. To receive and deposit the application money, bankers are appointed. To sell the shares, brokers and appointed, and the public buy the shares and the charges commission to the same. The next is minimum subscription. Minimum subscription is the limit in which the company can require that minimum subscription. So to make sure that the company does not have the shortfall of funds, a public limited company cannot make allotment of shares unless a minimum subscription is received. As per the rules of the Stock Exchange Board of India, a company must receive 90% of the issue amount within 120 days of issue of prospectus. The next is application to the stock exchange. A firm must get itself listed in a stock exchange before selling its securities to the general public. The company may apply in any of the stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange, any of the stock exchange, and to get the permission, the stock exchange authority verify the financial soundness and other aspects of the company, and they are satisfied, then the name of the company is listed. The next and the last point under the head of the capital subscription stage is allotment of share. While all these things are to be completed, so after that the allotment of shares are to be required, in which after getting the name listed, the company prepare a return of allotment required. Return of allotment is a statement given detail about the shareholders, name and address of the shareholders. Thank you.